Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I'm here at the Wertheim National Wildlife Refuge in Shirley, Long Island, which is the place I was planning to come the last time when I forgot my long lens. So today I brought my long lens, the 200-800. I hear quite a few birds in the area. Hopefully it's still migration season and hopefully I'll catch a few migrants and other birds. Well, I've already hearing cardinals and mockingbirds and such. So let's move on and see what we can find. Talk to you later. I just shot a couple of common mergansers. I'll put the photos up now. Actually, I got some video too. In fact, there they are again. Might be 3 of them. 4, no. Those are not. Yes, they are. They're all mergansers. They're a million miles away. I'll say one thing about the stabilization of this lens is not very good. I'm pretty sure if I were on the 100 or 500, I would have much better success, at least in video. Photos seems to be okay. All right, there's too far away now. I already got the shot, so I'm going to move on unless something else pops up right around here. Doesn't look like it. All right, I've got a tufted titmouse. Oh, I just ducked behind the branch just as I started filming. Let's see. And now he's gone. Ah. I just saw an eastern phoebe, actually a couple of them. Couldn't get a shot of them, but when I come back along this trail, I'll probably catch them. So, heading towards the White Oak Trail that goes around the west end of the park, or the pond, I should say. But first, I'm going to visit a observatory, or observation platform, I should say, and see if I can see anything from out there. So, back with you soon. All right, well, there's nothing on the platform. And I've already had 2 birders tell me that they didn't see much out here. But on the other hand, I've already seen mergansers and titmouse and a phoebe. So there's birds out here. I got all afternoon. It's only 12:25 now. I've got all afternoon to be out here. So I think I'm going to make this a long day and hopefully a fruitful one. Well, this is unfortunate. Observation blind is knocked over. I don't know how the hell that happened. But the blind, oh, it's not knocked over, it's just disassembled. In any case, it's no more. There's a bench. Maybe it's better, I don't know. I'll take a seat and see what I see. Well, so far nothing I hear but a couple of geese preening themselves. Not really doing anything special. I'll see if I catch anything else out here for a few minutes. Take a seat. Ugh. It's a good area for flycatchers. Saw one here once, a couple here once. It's a pretty quiet day. It's like the bird has said, it's a pretty quiet day. All right, I got a couple of swans. They're busy feeding. So as usual, I'm hearing a lot more birds than I'm seeing. I mean, a herd of red-bellied woodpecker, a herd of eastern towhee. There goes the woodpecker. But it's a quiet day. I think I'm going to go as far as the south observation platform, hang out there for a bit, and see if I can see anything from not there. Maybe some ospreys, maybe kingfisher, who knows? We'll see. There's a pine warbler up in the tree. Oh, I lost it. Where is it? It's right in front of me somewhere. Oh, there he is. And there he goes. Yeah, this stretch of woods frequently has pine warblers, so I was glad to be able to find it. Let me keep on going down towards the platform and see if I can see anything else. I heard some goldfinches. Haven't seen them, but I heard them. So hopefully, excuse me. So hopefully, I'll catch something out there on the platform. All right, see you in a bit. I've got an eastern towhee that just dove into the weeds. I'm hoping it'll come out right over there. Well, the towhee is around here somewhere. I'm not sure where. I'm going to keep looking for him. If I can catch him, I'll post a picture, and if not, I won't. Well, I got very lucky just now. I not only got the towhee, which is still bouncing around in front of me on the ground, but also a white-throated sparrow and a brown thrasher. So I will put those shots up now, and maybe I will try and grab that towhee while he's still on the ground. And I missed him. That's right, I already got him. red-bellied woodpecker. I was about to say that as I was heading up the trail, so I disturbed a couple of chipping sparrows, and I'll put the pictures up. I don't know where that woodpecker is. It's out there somewhere. Sometimes I play bird calls back to them from my Sibley phone app to lure them out of the woods. It's not I do it in moderation, really very little, as little as I can get away with, just to get the bird out, and then I shut it off because I don't want to disturb the birds. All right, so I'm going to keep moving up this trail and see if I see anything. Otherwise, we'll turn around and go back and maybe catch some more birds on the way back. Well, I just captured a red-bellied woodpecker and want to put the shots up now. And then I'll continue on back towards the car. I'm going to pass by that bird blind again. And hopefully I'll have a few more sightings. It's been a good day. It's been a really good day. On the way back, I spotted this group of spotted turtles. They're an endangered species, and I'm glad to see at least 3 of them in good health. There's a song sparrow right up there in that tree. Well, I made my way back to the platform where I first started my observations. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Things have settled down pretty much, and I think I've seen the last of the birds, not the last of the birds, but certainly the best of the birds for the day. So I'm going to knock it off and call it a video. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. I hope you've enjoyed it. And if you did, please give me a like and a comment. And if you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell that's right down here, so the next time I upload, you'll see it right away. And also, I want to remind you about my affiliate links to Amazon.com. If you use one of my links or log on to Amazon and either buy any of the gear that I have or anything else for that matter, I'll get a small commission, and it costs you nothing extra, and it helps grow the channel. So thanks again, and I'll see you real soon. Bye now.